This is video about metalanguage real-world application. So this is what you can see on the screen is complete semantic graph, semantic representation of one metalanguage sentence. And here we will look at this sentence closer. So what is this? We ask, please write here distance between Lucknow and Varanasi and measure it in kilometers. This is a metalanguage sentence, and you can alter this sentence. For example, not from Lucknow to Varanasi, but from, for example, from Chennai to Coimbatore, or from Delhi to Madurai. So that's how you can make different sentences in metalanguage, and you can measure it in miles, for example. So that's how you can make metalanguage sentence with homogeneous recursive semantic graph. And now what's application we can make from here? First of all, it's translation to natural language. I just push button translate, and here is a sentence on English. You can send this sentence to any your friend, and he will get this kind of sentence, and then he can answer. For example, 1,500 kilometers. And your friend will write it here, and you will get answer here. That's how it works. And also we can use another languages. For example, Hindi. That's how it looks like. And or Tamil language, completely different. Oh, these three languages, they're completely different. Not similar, not like English, German and Spanish, no. So you can see here, it's Tamil language. And also you can send it to your Tamil friend, and he will get it, and he will write your answer. For example, this, I don't know, it's random answer. But anyway, you can get it. So that's how natural language processing works with metalanguage. But most powerful thing about metalanguage that it can work as well with programming languages. And here I made computational block. So this computational block uses API. Now you can see this source code. I use rapidapi.com distance to API application. Rapidapi.com, it's a service of different APIs, and this distance to is an API that can give you distance between cities. You can see here in India we check 2 cities, distance between them. So here I use only Indian cities for simplicity, but we can use any cities, any countries. So let's ask from Delhi to Madurai. Computer, please compute it to us. So there is an answer. Right here, distance from Delhi to Madurai in miles. 1,576 miles. Okay, we want to ask, for example, in kilometers. Yes, in kilometers it's more, because kilometers they're less than miles. Okay, that's the answer. And let's check something I know that about 700 kilometers from Delhi to Varanasi, because I had a ride many years ago, 11 years ago I had a ride from Varanasi to Delhi. Okay, let's make this about 700 kilometers. Let's check. Okay, yes, 770 kilometers almost. Yes, it's correct. And from Varanasi to Prayag, I also had ride. It was about 120 kilometers. Let's check. Yes, 134. Similar. And for example, from Chennai to Pondicherry, I think maybe about 200 kilometers, not so far. Let's check. 170, yes. I lived near Puducherry. It's not far from Chennai, I remember. Okay, and about 300 kilometers, maybe 350 from Coimbatore to Pondicherry. Let's check. Yes, 385. So that works fine. We can check, for example, from Lucknow to Varanasi. I don't know how far is it. Okay, that's the distance. And here you can see natural language representation. Here you can get answer from API, and this answer delivered by computing programming language. And that's how metalanguage works.